Good morning. Today is Monday, March 17th, 2025. It is 10:36 a.m., and I call this special meeting of the Platte County Commission to order. The purpose of this special meeting is to facilitate the management and implementation of projects funded under the federal COVID relief program known as ARPA, the American Rescue Plan Act. First item on our agenda is the approval of the agenda.
I move approval of the agenda.
Second.
We have a motion and a second to approve the agenda. Clerk, please call the roll.
Commissioner Fricker?
Yes.
Commissioner Herbert?
Yes.
Commissioner Vanacker?
Yes.
The motion carries 3-0. Next on the agenda is business action items. We have 3 of those, all to be presented by County Administrator Westminder. Morning.
Good morning, Commissioners. Westminder. We thought we were done in December, but we weren't because all of our ARPA funding has been obligated. However, for tracking purposes, we're going to utilize these ARPA sessions to approve change orders to some of our contracts so that we have the potential, should additional ARPA funding come through in the future, other administration can't use it or something like that, that we would have the flexibility to recoup our costs. The funds that are identified to cover these proposed amendments or identified when we authorize the initial contracts for to be spent from the Capital Reserve Fund. So first action item, 2025 CO-001 is a $31,500 contract amendment with SFS Architects for our juvenile building. We had originally done a $7,500 initial concept plans, and this amendment covers the final design plans that were utilized for construction.
I move to approve 2025-CO-001 ARPA for Amendment 1 with SFS Architecture.
Second.
We have a motion and a second on this item. Clerk, please call the roll.
Commissioner Fricker?
Yes.
Commissioner Herbert?
Yes.
Commissioner Vanacker?
Yes.
That motion carries 3-0. Next is 2025 CO-002 ARPA.
Good morning, Commissioners. Westminder again. This approves the first change order with Centric Projects LLC, which is the general contractor doing the work on the administration building. This first change order is for $33,975.70. And the need for that additional change order is the construction of some additional walls, door hardware, and some other minor changes to the plans once we've got into construction.
I move approval of 2025-CO-002 ARPA, which is change order number 1 between Platte County and Centric for the administration building and juvenile building.
Second.
We have a motion and a second. Clerk, please call the roll.
Commissioner Fricker?
Yes.
Commissioner Herbert?
Yes.
Commissioner Vanacker?
Yes.
The motion carries 3-0. Next is 2025 CO-003 ARPA.
Good morning, Commissioners. Westminder. So this is change order number 2 with Straub Construction, who is our general contractor on the courthouse renovations project. This change order is for I can't read my own writing. It's $132,000 or $152,354. A lot of this work consists of work that was done at the old Platte City Hall, which we're currently using as a temporary courtroom for Division 5 and our treatment courts. We're also doing some additional work on the 3rd floor with replacing some destroyed or damaged carpet, and then painting of all the walls so it's uniform. We're also doing cabling on that 3rd floor. One of the fun things the county gets to do is we have to run cables for both the state network and the county network. And so with the relocation of state and county offices on the 3rd floor, we are doing a rewiring to provide information technology connections. We also are doing some floor boxes in the Division 5 courtroom in the concrete floor, which will remove the cords that historically have been across the floor to reduce tripping hazards for anybody in the courtroom.
Move to approve 2025-CO-003 ARPA for
Second.
change order number 2.
Second.
We have a motion and a second. Clerk, please call the roll.
Commissioner Fricker?
Yes.
Commissioner Herbert?
Yes.
Commissioner Vanacker?
Yes.
That motion carries 3-0.
I move to adjourn.
Second.
We have a motion and a second to adjourn. Clerk, please call the roll.
Commissioner Fricker?
Yes.
Commissioner Herbert?
Yes.
Commissioner Vanacker?
Yes.
That motion carries 3-0. It is 10:40 a.m. and we are adjourned.